So I think all of us can agree that we hate flat hair. You know, like imagine just having like a little, like a bowl cut sort of thing, like, and your hair just kind of went straight down. That doesn't look great, you know. But in this case, so my hair looks like it has some texture, has some life in it. It's like curling a little bit, you know. It's flaring out. I've been able to achieve this look using sea salt spray. So what sea salt spray does is basically just, I'm assuming it's just water and sea salt mixed in it. I got some off of Amazon, but what I'm assuming it does is that it attaches to the hair itself, dehydrates it slightly, and by dehydrating it sort of forces it to sort of curl. So those curls get enhanced. So whatever waves you have get enhanced just because there's a little less water and it kind of forces it to sort of bend. That's my sort of very minimal understanding of it, but you end up getting results like this where like your hair has some sort of life. So I'll show you on the side mirror too. It's it looks cool. It looks awesome. But yeah, this is like a very big hair tip. All you have to really do is just like spray it all around. And then what I do is I kind of comb it through. Oh, I got some in my mouth. That's not good. And then what I do is I kind of just like, I like to wear my hair like this, so I just let it sit there. And you can see that it's a little easier to move now that it's also wet. And you just let it sit. And then when it's dry, I kind of just like shake it up a little bit, and then I comb it, and then you feel the difference completely. But yeah, this is it. Sea salt spray might be my next favorite product. I mean, again, you also still want to use leave-in conditioner just because the sea salt spray will take some hydration out. So what I do is once I'm done with the sea salt spray, I then go back at it with my Back to Natural leave-in conditioner. And that combo's been working well. I've been doing this for about a month. The system's about a month old. And it's looking great, feeling great, it's looking great. But yeah, that's the next hack.